on, guys? Welcome back. Today is the day. This is the snowstorm they've been talking about all week, so it's just hitting us. It's only been going on for about an hour. Not too bad yet, but I think the worst is yet to come. It's really windy, the roads are slippery, the snow's not too bad yet, so I got a couple no heats that came in overnight. I'm gonna work as long as it's safe to do so. If it gets too bad, I'm gonna head out, but I'll keep you posted. Alright, well, just on my first one, I got a code 61 on this Rheem. That's kind of an unusual code to see on a newer Rheem like this. This thing's only about 6 years old. I'm pretty sure a 61 is a blower, an ECM blower code. Yeah, 61, blower fault. Motor cannot run. Well, I guess we'll just jump it out and see what it does. That's kind of a weird code for a newer furnace like this. Well, the first couple times I started it, it fired right up. There was no issue, but you could see in that last clip, the ECM was just kind of jogging back and forth. It didn't know what to do, and then it failed. I've got a code 61 again, so I think we're going to go get a motor. This furnace is still under warranty. It's only about 6 years old, so I'm going to go get a motor. It's going to be minus 25 tonight, so I'm not going to take the chance leaving this customer with no heat during probably the worst snowstorm of the year, if it turns out to be what they're saying. So I'm going to go get a motor. Well, I made it to the Rheem dealer, picked up the motor. Things are getting slippery though. The snow is still not too bad, but it went from -2 when I left the house this morning, and it's now -12, so the roads are just pure ice. I haven't seen a lot of salt trucks out, but yeah, hanging in there. Got the motor, so it's time to swap it out. This is the data card. If you're not too familiar with this furnace, this holds all of the model information, the fan profile. So if you change the circuit board, this card actually stays with the furnace and you swap it in. So the furnace can have that board and it still knows the 60,000 BTU and all the settings it had before are saved in that card. Okay, well that one turned out fine. Customer's happy to have heat again. Luckily she had the warranty because that was a pretty premature failure on an ECM. Well guys, the wind is not getting any better, as you can see. Things are a little breezy here. Alright guys, well I officially made it back home. That was a pretty long day of no heats. I ended up not filming that much. I just wanted to focus on getting through the calls and getting to the next one safely. That was by far one of the most dangerous days I've had on the road. Not even for snow accumulation, but just the fact that we went from raining to about minus 22 in less than 12 hours. It just made everything a sheet of ice. So if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. Hope you have a good Christmas. You'll probably see this after the fact, but I really appreciate all the comments and the views on the videos. Everything's been doing pretty good, so just want to say thanks and have a good one.